Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer user profiles with Segment from web to Twilio step by step clearly. To transfer user profiles with Segment from web to Twilio, start by logging into your Segment account. Navigate to the workspace that contains the user profiles you want to transfer. Select the Sources tab in the left-hand menu. Choose the web source that holds the user data you wish to export. Next, click on the Settings gear icon for the selected source. Scroll down to the Destinations section and click on Add Destination. In the search bar, type Twilio and select it from the drop-down options. Now, click on the Configure Twilio button. Enter your Twilio account SID and auth token in the provided fields. Choose the specific Twilio service you want to use for messaging or notifications. Configure any additional settings required for your use case, such as message settings or phone number formats. After entering all necessary information, click the Save Settings button at the bottom. Next, return to your web source and ensure that user profile data is correctly tracked. Go to the Events tab and verify that user information is being captured as intended. You can test the integration by sending a test event from Segment to see if it appears in Twilio. To do this, return to your web source and choose the Send Test Event option. Ensure the test event includes the necessary user profile information, such as email and phone number. Once satisfied with your test results, you can proceed to publish your changes. Monitor the data flow between Segment and Twilio for any discrepancies. Adjust your settings as needed based on the data received in Twilio. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred user profiles from Segment to Twilio. Now you can leverage Twilio's capabilities to engage with your users effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.